Hi, I'm so excited for this. So today I'm going to be doing two like similar-ish looks. They're different on two different eye colors. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm wearing contacts. Let me zoom you in. So the contacts that I'm wearing are by a brand called Desio. They're my go-to colored contacts. They're an Italian brand, and they're the ones that I've always used. So I'm wearing, please excuse my eyelids have been a little bit dry, so, you know, skincare journey. If you don't know, you still won't know. So the contacts that I'm wearing, I believe, I want to say romantic blue, and then caramel brown, I think. Comment down below if you want me to pick up like dark brown and like a dark blue. We could keep this going, like this could be a series. I believe the hazel, or these are like kind of hazily, but they're ever so slightly lighter than my natural color, but my natural color is more green. So today, the two palettes that I'm going to be using are both by Huda Beauty. This is the new Wild Chameleon palette, as well as the old Sapphire Obsessions palette in blue. So I'm going to be using these beautiful warm tones to complement this beautiful blue eye. And then I'm going to be using these beautiful blues to complement this nice warm caramely color that we've got going on over here. I'm excited. All right, so I primed my eyes with the Anastasia eye primer. So I am picking up the Refer 15 brush. I'm gonna start off with my right eye, and I'm gonna start off with this corner color up here, and I'm gonna use this to start building up the crease. Already, I mean, the red tone in this, it's kind of a red orange, you know, it's almost like a light brick. How many different ways can I explain this color? So beautiful for blue eyes. So I'm a firm believer that despite your eye color, whatever eyeshadow color you want to wear should be what you wear. But there are some colors that just like objectively make certain colors pop. Keep in mind the color wheel, blue eyes are going to pop next to orange the most, right? So warm tones, warm browns, warm red, warm orange, even like a warm like orangey yellow are gonna really, really bring out that blue. This is actually, because it has so much red in it, it's actually really beautiful for green eyes as well. Now I'm grabbing my Morphe M433 brush, and from the Obsessions palette, I'm gonna start off with this like neon green. I'm gonna tap into that first, and then I'm gonna mix it with this turquoise color. So I'm tapping back and forth between these. Something that's nice about like this color is that like this eye color, if you tend to be like light brown or a little bit more hazily, you do have a little bit of green in there. So like this combination is going to be very flattering. But the contrast against the blue is really going to bring out the warm, like orangey colors in your eye. So I'm going to use this as my first base. And then using that same color, same brush, I'm going to go back into this like turquoise aqua teal. I don't know. I don't know why I can never remember the difference between those colors. And I'm going to build up the crease a little bit more. For the lid over here, I'm going to grab this like dark burgundy color. This is the Sigma E25 brush. And I'm going to pack this on the outer corner, basically the outer and inner corner of the lid. So starting by packing it on the lid and then just lightly blending it into that first color, taking whatever's left over on the brush and buffing it into the crease. Using my Morphe M456 brush, I'm going to do the same thing with the Obsessions palette. So I'm actually dipping into, oh, I wish I used this palette. Ugh, whatever. So I'm dipping into my Linda Hallberg's palette, and I'm picking up this purple because I'm kind of regretting this color scheme for this because it just looks a little bit more green than I thought it did. So I'm mixing this purple into that teal to hopefully cool it down a little bit. Okay, for the lid, ooh, I like that color. It's like periwinkle, that's really pretty. For the lid on the warm toned eye, I'm gonna pick up this color. from the Wild palette. Pop that right in the center. And for the cool toned eye, I'm going to, or for the blue eye, I'm going to grab Abstract from the Linda Hallberg's palette. I'm picking up a little bit of Occult from Linda Hallberg's. This like plum color. I was originally picturing this eye as like more navy. I don't know why I went in the teal direction. It's all right, we're figuring it out. All right, for my waterline on my blue eye, well, this is getting confusing. Blue eye color, I'm gonna use the cream gel liner in Joyride. And then on my other one, I'm using Revlon Sapphire eyeliner. For my lower lash line on the red one, I'm picking up that burgundy color to start. I'm gonna run that along that liner. Blue, I'm picking up the navy from that Obsessions palette, and same thing. And then for further blending, I'm gonna grab the salmon color from the Obsessions palette, or sorry, Wild palette. Just kind of working in reverse. For the other side, I'm picking up Eerie from the Linda Hallberg's palette. All right, I'm gonna do a winged liner using House Labs. And then I'm gonna apply a little bit of mascara and lashes. I'm literally still going in with purple. I wish I made it purple. Dude, I even messed up the lash on this side. It is not a good time. You know what I think another problem is? The center of the lid on the blue eye is a little bit light compared to this. So I'm gonna grab the purple shade from the Wild palette actually and go over that. Maybe that's what's throwing it off. I don't know. I don't know, you guys. All right, that was a little bit of an experiment. Here's the finished looks. So we've got what sort of looks like a hazel eye against this like cool toned navy / purpley eye look. And then we have the blue eye with this nice warm salmon, reds, orange, copper look. Tell me what your favorite is down below. I kind of have a feeling which one it's gonna be. That was interesting. So I basically just wanted to do this as kind of like for fun and also to demonstrate like different ways of doing eyeshadow on different eye colors. Let me know, like I can make this a series. I could also try to pick up some like actual dark brown or like medium brown because this did end up looking a lot more hazel on my eyes, which I wasn't really expecting, which is why this kind of threw me off. But when it comes to hazel eyes, if you want to bring out the green, try like purpley colors. But hazel also looks really beautiful in like warm tones like this. But these kinds of warm tones, this is a perfect example of this, is really gonna make that blue pop. If your eyes can go like, are light and they go like green or blue, then depending on like what complementary color you choose, it's gonna bring out either the green or blue, right? So if you're wearing like a little bit more, something that's a little bit more red, it's gonna probably bring out a little bit more green. And if you go for something that's gonna be like way more orange, it's probably going to be a little bit more blue. Does that make sense? So just make sure that you're looking at the color wheel if you're trying to bring out a certain color in your eyes. And yeah, play around with it, have fun. Let me know if you wanna see, like I could potentially do like 2 different contact colors, but do the same look. Stuff like that. Let me know if you would be interested in that. I feel really weird. This is probably super confusing to people's brains. Thanks for watching. Hope this was interesting in some way, and I'll see you at some point soon. Do you like it when I end like that? I'll see you at some point soon. Because I always just like hate saying like, see you next time or whatever. No. Just me. Okay. Bye.